Can face recognition be fooled by a photograph? Let's find out. Here's the test. Can this photograph fool the phone? Nope. A simple photograph wasn't enough. But why?
Because modern face recognition doesn't just see a picture. It creates a detailed three-dimensional map of your face. A photograph is completely flat, but a real face has depth. The phone compares your face with the three-dimensional face map stored during setup. If the match is close enough, the phone unlocks.
That's why a simple photograph usually can't fool modern face recognition systems. What should we unlock next? Comment below and subscribe to Science Unlocked.